Hello viewers, welcome to Coding Search, the next era of learning. Today in this video I am going to show you an example of array that is a derived data type in C. As you know that the derived data type is a combination of one or more primitive data type or the basic data type. Likewise, array is a collection of similar data types stored at a contiguous memory location. So let us first create a file, say array.c, add as include video.h. Friends, consider a situation where you have to store the 5 marks and you have to find out the average of marks of 5 students. Then it will be not good to declare 5 separate variables for storing the marks. In that case, we usually declare an array for storing 5 marks or maybe for the larger number of marks. So int main. So since I have to find out the average of 5 marks, I am going to declare an array of integer type, say int, and the array name be marks. Here in a square bracket I am going to define the size of the array, that is 5, to store the 5 marks, and I am going to assign all the 5 marks using a list, that is say 88, 78, 97, 68, and say 8. So all these marks will be assigned at different index starting with 0. Like at 0th index the 88 will be stored, and at 1 index 78, and so on. And to find out the average I'll have to declare some more variable, says int sum equals to 0 and average, that is also of int type, equals to 0, the initial value. And let me declare one more variable, that is I, that I am going to use in the for loop, I equals to 0. Now for I equals to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus, sum equals to sum plus marks of ith index, marks of ith index. So after the completion of loop, all the marks will be added and stored in the variable sum. After getting sum, calculate the average, that is average equals to sum divided by number of marks, that is of course 5. And now we can display all sum and the average. For that use printf /n, sum equals to %d and sum, printf average equals to %d. Here I have to put the comma, give the return value, that is return 0, and save the code, Ctrl S, and open a new terminal to gcc file name, and the file name is array.c. So it's successfully compiled because we are not getting any error. And to run, press /a, default executable file given by the compiler in GCC, and press enter. Here we are getting the output, sum equals to 411 and the average is 82. So friends, to deal with the number of elements like marks, it's not a good idea to declare separate variables for all these marks. Instead of declaring separate variables, we used to declare an array. So hope you understand the use of the array. Thank you very much for watching.